Have you noticed your legs feeling a bit weaker lately? If you're over 60, you're not alone. Our legs are often the first to show signs of aging, losing strength over time. And here's the worrying part: weak legs can lead to shaky balance, instability, and a higher risk of falls, which can be dangerous for seniors. But here's the bright side: you can fight back with the right foods. In this 17-minute video, we'll share 4 powerful foods that can help rebuild your leg strength, boost your stability, and keep you moving with confidence for years to come. These foods are packed with nutrients to support your muscles, improve blood flow, and ease stiffness, so you can stay independent longer. Stick around until the end, because the last food is often overlooked but can make a huge difference in how strong your legs feel. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and tap the bell so you don't miss any videos. Drop a 1 in the comments if you find this helpful, or a 0 if it's not your thing. I'd love your feedback to make better content for you. Let's dive in. Let's start with the first food: salmon, a true superhero for your legs. You might be thinking, what does fish have to do with my legs? Well, as we age, our muscles break down faster than they rebuild, and without the right nutrients, that process speeds up, leaving your legs weaker. Salmon comes to the rescue with its high-quality protein and omega-3 fatty acids, which are key for maintaining muscle mass, reducing inflammation, and boosting circulation, all crucial for strong, steady legs. Ever wake up with stiff legs or feel like your knees aren't moving as smoothly as they used to? That's often due to inflammation and poor muscle recovery. The omega-3s in salmon help calm that inflammation, ease joint stiffness, and support muscle repair, while the protein helps keep your leg muscles firm. Take someone like Ed, a 71-year-old from Michigan. He thought his daily walks were enough, but his legs started feeling wobbly, and climbing stairs got tough. His doc explained that he needed more protein and omega-3s to help his muscles recover. Ed started eating salmon twice a week, and within a month, he felt steadier, stronger, and less stiff. If salmon's not your thing, try other fatty fish like sardines or trout. They'll give you the same benefits. Don't miss out on this muscle-saving food. Your legs will thank you. Next up is Greek yogurt, a powerhouse for both your muscles and bones. After 60, one of the biggest mistakes folks make is not getting enough protein and calcium, which are essential for keeping your legs stable and strong. As we age, our muscles and bones naturally weaken, making us more prone to tiredness, falls, and even fractures. Greek yogurt steps in with a perfect combo of protein, calcium, and probiotics to build muscle, strengthen bones, and support your joints, all things your legs need to keep going. Protein isn't just for gym buffs, it's a must for preventing muscle loss as you age, and Greek yogurt offers an easily digestible form that helps repair and maintain your leg muscles. Plus, the calcium and vitamin D in it keep your bones sturdy, lowering your risk of breaks if you do stumble. Think about Clara, a 69-year-old from Arizona. She noticed her legs felt tired all the time, and her knees ached more than usual. Her doc said she wasn't getting enough protein or calcium, which was weakening both her muscles and bones. Clara started having a cup of Greek yogurt every morning, sometimes with berries or nuts for extra flavor. Within weeks, her legs felt stronger, her knees hurt less, and she felt more stable walking around. Try this. Stand up from a chair without using your hands. If it's hard or you feel wobbly, your muscles and bones might need a boost. Greek yogurt is an easy fix. Eat it plain, with honey or in a smoothie to keep your legs strong. Now, let's talk about spinach, a fantastic food for boosting circulation. If your legs often feel heavy, stiff, or tired, poor blood flow might be the culprit. Spinach is loaded with magnesium, potassium, and nitrates, which help relax your blood vessels, improve oxygen delivery to your muscles, and reduce cramps, all key for keeping your legs energized and strong. Good circulation is critical because your muscles need oxygen and nutrients to work well. When blood flow slows down, your legs can feel weak, your joints might ache, and you might even get tingling or cramping in your calves. That heaviness many seniors feel isn't just aging. It's often a sign their muscles aren't getting enough oxygen. Take someone like Mary, a 73-year-old from Colorado. She thought her tired, achy legs were just part of getting older. But her doc pointed out that poor circulation was the real issue. Mary started adding spinach to her meals a few times a week, in salads, omelets, or even smoothies. A month later, her legs felt lighter, her nighttime cramps were gone, and she had more energy for her daily walks. Here's a quick check. Press your thumb into your lower leg for a few seconds, then let go. If the spot stays indented for more than a couple of seconds, your circulation might need help. Spinach is an easy addition to your diet, and it'll keep your legs feeling light and ready to move. Finally, let's talk about eggs, the ultimate food for building leg strength. Eggs are a fantastic source of high-quality protein, essential amino acids, and vitamins like B12 and D, all of which help repair muscles, improve nerve function, and support bone health. If you want to keep your legs powerful and steady, eggs should be a regular part of your meals. A lot of folks think muscle loss is just a normal part of aging, but often it's because they're not eating enough protein-rich foods. Eggs provide everything your muscles need to grow and repair, plus nutrients like choline and B12 that keep your nerves sharp, helping your legs respond quickly and reducing your risk of falls. Consider someone like Bob, a 68-year-old from Texas. He used to have toast and coffee for breakfast, but he started noticing his legs felt weaker and he struggled with balance on uneven ground. His doc said he wasn't getting enough protein in the morning, which was speeding up muscle loss. Bob started eating 2 eggs every day for breakfast, and within a few weeks, his legs felt stronger, his balance improved, and he had more energy to get around. Try this. Stand on one foot and see how long you can balance. If you can't hold it for at least 10 seconds, your muscles and nerves might need more support. Eggs are so easy to add. Scramble them, boil them, or make an omelet. They're a simple way to keep your legs strong and steady as you age. Let's wrap up. We've covered 4 foods to keep your legs strong after 60. Salmon for muscle-saving protein and omega-3s, Greek yogurt for muscle and bone health, spinach for better circulation, and eggs for overall strength and stability. Weak legs don't happen overnight, but with small changes like adding these foods to your diet, you can rebuild your strength and stay independent longer. You have the power to age on your terms. Don't let weak legs slow you down. Which food will you try first? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with someone who wants to keep moving with confidence. Thanks for watching, and here's to strong legs and a vibrant life.